Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for joining me here today. So for those of you that are just joining in, this is a live stream video for the property in front of me, which is located on the Basingstoke Road in Reading. So before I head in to show you this wonderful 1920s 3-bed semi-detached home that's for sale, I'm just going to turn around to give you an idea of whereabouts I am. So just the other side of those trees there is Morrisons supermarket. And then there's just down to the side there is the Rosekiln Lane industrial part with the B&M, Halfords, PetSmart, the Range and things like that. So this home I'm bringing you is a 3-bed semi-detached home. This is an interactive video, so do feel free to ask me questions and I will do my best to answer those for you. So as we walk in, just to show you, there are 2 sets of doors. These ones are French doors, which is the front porch, and then these other doors will both open as well if you wanted the extra space. So entering into the property, we have the front reception room, which we'll just go into. Let me just shut this porch door. Gas meter is just here. Right, so now we're in, the double glazing is definitely kicking in. It is a main road out the front, but the noise inside is a lot lower. So front reception room here, really good size. I love the fact that they've kept the fireplace there. There is a gas connection if you wanted a gas fire, or if you were looking to restore this back, you can do. Chandelier light, and then this wonderful bay window. With a really big picture window to let lots and lots of light in. Very spacious home itself, as I said, built in the 1920s, so very spacious. Heading back into the hallway, we have a small understairs cupboard, and then there's an upgraded heating system here, and then this is your second reception room or the diner. And again, you've got another fireplace just here. And then a door to the side there for the kitchen. So just giving you an idea, lots of storage space throughout. Now, what these guys have done, or what the owner has done in here, is just behind the door to the dining area, there's a small door here. So under the stairs, they have fitted in a WC, so really helpful. There is a window, small sink as well. So yeah, they've really utilised the space in here. So this reception room here, solid wall between the two, so if you were looking at potentially opening it up, you would need to support it. But we'll head into the kitchen. So kitchen wise, nice and long. I'm just going to pull the door up and stand at the back of the kitchen just to give you an idea of the space. Really long, lovely sized kitchen as well. There's a small breakfast bar to one side, electric hob and oven, and then you've got your connections down here for your washing machine and tumble dryer. And then look at this garden space here. So coming on out, you've got this lovely picture window back into the dining area, but just look at this garden space here. Absolutely fantastic, really good sized garden. And I'm just going to wander down. So you've got a couple of outbuildings down here, really good sized sheds, both would stay. So we have the wood shed here, a wooden build shed. Sliding doors, loads of space. Apologies for catching myself in the reflection. And then we've got this one here, which is a brick or cinder block build workshop, and it goes the whole width of the garden with it there. There is some electrics in here, but unfortunately I haven't got the key to show you inside. But what a space! And then looking back at the garden here, back at the house, just look at that there. Really impressive, nice and quiet, and it's actually really peaceful. So handy as well if you're looking for the shops. There's a bus stop nearby that will take you into the town. And then it's also great because you have got parking out the front, certainly for 3 cars to there. On the side of the property you have a side gate, and then your neighbour has put a small extended out to the side with a lean-to, and it's whether or not you wanted to do something similar on that one. But without further ado, let's head on in. And yeah, so on this video here you can also request your own private viewing, and as I said, do feel free to ask me questions. I will do my best to answer those for you as we go around. So back up to the front. Here we are. So yep, so fantastic. So any private viewings asked, what we'll do is we'll give you a call, and we'll get that arranged for you as soon as possible, so you don't miss out. So we have 3 bedrooms here. I'll take you into the smallest bedroom. So just standing on the side at the entrance, it's a really good size, definitely a single. In there, and then look at the window, really big size, lots of light in here as well. So good size single bedroom. This here is the second bedroom. Second bedroom, although this one and the third, or the main bedroom, is about the same size. Lovely big picture window. Again, lets lots of light in. There's your chimney breast, and then we have got lots of wardrobe space. Doing my best not to get in the reflection, I don't want to put you off, but look at the size of this room here. Fantastic and large, really spacious in there. There we are. Give you a good size idea of the bedroom in here, and then what we'll do, let's head on into the main bedroom. And in here, look at it, another good size double. This time lots of built-in wardrobe space throughout here, and they've kept the fireplace here. So here's your hot water tank, and then you've got lots of built-in storage space throughout, and all mirrored as well. And again, a lovely large window, letting so much light into here. It really is. Don't know if it's quite picking up on the camera, maybe you guys can tell me, but hopefully you will see how bright and light this room is, or this whole house is really. So the final part is the bathroom. I'm just going to show you the loft entrance here. There we are. Ooh, come on down. There we are. And into the bathroom. So bathroom here is all white units. There's an electric Myra shower as well over the bath, and they've really utilised the space well. Nice sink, mirror there, toilet, and then with the bathroom, and then window on here. Now there isn't an extractor fan, but you do have the window to open up to stop any damp. As I said, it is all gas rad heating, some low energy light bulbs, and then the windows there, just letting so much light in. This is a fantastic home. There is no chain with this property here, and it is available now, so do please get your inquiries in quickly so we can book you in. I don't think this will hang around for long, and I really hope to be able to show you privately. If there's no more questions, guys, I want to thank you very much for joining me. I always appreciate it, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.